Jay, just sending you this quick video on how to log in and access your new DirectLink account. So I'm going to send you this email. Here is the website. So just click right there. Give it 1 second. It's going to show up on the screen. We'll move you over here. So in that email, you're going to have your username and password. As you can see, it's already in here. So just click login. And then here is the home page. The first thing that we're going to need to do, you can see nothing's populated yet. The first thing we're going to need to do is some kind of contact export. I think the best way to go about that initially is going into your Gmail, exporting your contacts from your Gmail, getting them into the platform, and then probably before the end of the year, send out an email to all your contacts, whatever you want. Just kind of keep it in touch, saying that this is your new newsletter, or this is how you're going to be keeping in touch on a regular basis. So we'll get those in there. I'll help you do that. I think you also saw the email that I sent you on GoDaddy. So log into that too. That's your domain name. I got you letseatfitness.com and letseatfitness.net. So let me know what questions you have. Mess around with the site. Again, I think the first thing that we need to do is just get your contacts in here. Once we get your contacts in there, we're going to do an initial blast. Talk to you real soon.